July at Walt Disney World is the quintessential summer experience. It's loud, it's vibrant, and yes, it is very, very hot. But if you're looking for that classic vacation energy, there's no better time to be in the parks. Today, we're breaking down the four pillars of a July visit: the crowds, the storms, the costs, and the celebrations. Let's get right into it. But before we get into July and those four pillars, if you are new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. Just hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. That way, every time we go live or do a new video, you'll be notified. And be sure to check out our month-by-month breakdown for Walt Disney World if you're not coming in July, but maybe you're coming in another month. Now, first, let's talk the crowds. Historically, July was a 10 out of 10 on the crowd calendar. However, in 2026, we're seeing a continuation of the summer slowdown. Aside from the week of July 4th, which remains packed, baseline crowds are actually moderate. Now, expect heavy wait times for the big hitters like, Tiana's Bayou Adventure and Tron Light Cycle Run, but the ghost town rumors for mid-July aren't far off. You'll find the parks much more manageable than you would during spring break or Christmas time. Now, the weather. It's no secret. July is a steam room. Expect average highs of 92 degrees and humidity that hits you the moment you step outside. You also need to plan for the daily 2 p.m. thunderstorm. These are often short, but they can be intense. Now here's a pro tip for you. Don't leave the park when it rains. Put on a poncho, let the crowds clear out, and wait for those wait times to drop as soon as the sun comes back out. It's one of those things where people kind of just do the knee-jerk reaction to leave the parks because it's raining, and then that will really give you a leg up on some of those rides. Now let's talk about some of the pricing around July. And because summer demand has softened, Disney is getting aggressive with deals. And for 2026, we're seeing a Disney Plus subscriber deal with rooms at value resorts like the All-Star Sports starting as low as $99 a night. There's also the return of the free dining program for select dates and the 4-day 4-park magic ticket, which brings admission costs down significantly compared to the $180 a day peak prices that you normally would see. Now, if you're not going to 2026, if you're going to 2027, be sure to look for some of those other deals because Disney always has room deals and rate deals for you. And they'll have them in July in coming years as well. So always look for those deals. Reach out to your travel agent if necessary, or Disney directly, and they'll go over all those with you. For me, the crown jewel of July is Independence Day. Magic Kingdom runs its Celebrate America fireworks on both July 3rd and 4th, while Epcot adds the Heartbeat of America tag to its nightly show on the 4th. Beyond the holiday, look out for Disney After Hours events and H2O Glow Nights at Typhoon Lagoon, which are the absolute best ways to enjoy the parks without the blistering sun. Now, personally, for me, I think the fireworks at Magic Kingdom are wonderful. I give you another pro tip. See the Magic Kingdom fireworks on the 3rd. Go to Epcot and see the Heartbeat of America fireworks on the 4th, because the ones at Epcot are absolutely incredible. So there you have it, folks. July in a nutshell. Is it worth it? Well, if you can handle the humidity and take a midday nap to avoid the peak heat, the answer is an absolute yes, especially with those $99 room rates that are going on right now. Just remember, hydrate, poncho up, and enjoy the fireworks. Well, I hope this video was helpful, folks. If you have any additional questions, just leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you have in mind, what kind of questions you have. We'll answer them if we can. Other than that, thanks for joining me. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. And until next time, take care of yourselves and each other, and we will talk to you soon.